Hi all, and welcome back to Lana's Kitchen. Today I'm making pasta with broccoli rabe with garlic and oil. It is delicious. First thing, wash your broccoli rabe well, cut off the stems, cut it up small, and get it ready to steam or boil, whichever you prefer. I'm steaming my broccoli rabe in my brand new steaming pot. And inside the very same pot, boil your pasta. Now put your broccoli rabe and pasta to the side, and in the same pot, saute your garlic and extra virgin olive oil. Add a little Cajun spice, a little salt, and a little black pepper. And now for my secret ingredient, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Now get your strained pasta and broccoli rabe and toss it right into the garlic, olive oil, and butter mixture. That's it, you're ready to eat. Remember to subscribe to Lana's Kitchen channel. Thanks, and God bless you.